Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. It's going to be a little short video on how to create this map. While the other one was loading, I realized if you haven't watched some of my videos, you would do it with 2 pieces of wood or a piece of wood and a piece of blue paper. So you've actually cut, so if this was plywood or any thin wood, plywood would be your best bet. And you've got everything engraved on it. You've got the streets. We'll bring the streets in. That's what it would look like. But then you would back it up. So this is a hole. So this is the wood and this is a void. You would put blue paper, blue painted wood on the back. So you've got a recess and the lake's going to show through. And then you're engraving with your compass. And that's what I was saying earlier in the video, like this might be too thin, might break away. And I've got a video on here on how to sand this. After you cut it, you put blue tape on the back and sand it so these little pieces will not break, because the orbital sander or whatever type of sander you use could possibly break those small pieces. But anyway, that's the way it's going to look. It's pretty cool. It actually gives you a better feel that you can maybe make the lake a little bit bigger, on this drawing. Expand it out before you do anything, and that's easily done. But anyway, I hope that explained it a little bit, and thank you for watching.